welcome to this Laveen, Arizona home. This is a new build in the Laveen, Arizona area, and it is one of several that is being put out by multiple different builders in the area. If you are currently in the market for a home, I would highly recommend that you reach out to me so you can find out which builders match your specific criteria and which builders are offering some of the best incentives to get buyers into their homes right now.